Hi everyone, les amis Michaud of Galerie Saint-Cloud here in Sault Ste. Marie, Belwating. I just want to talk about this pencil sharpener I got at Good Atlas in North Bay. It's called a conic line A5 GR, and it's made in Japan. Carl, it's called Carl. Angel 5 grand, and mine is a blue one, but you can get it in different colors. And just want to show how cool this is. You see, this is what you can do easily. Empty your shavings, and I'm sharpening my collection of Prismacolor pencils, the Scholar series that I bought maybe 10-12 years ago when I was doing my BFA. It took me 6 years to do my BFA because I did it part-time. I was teaching part-time and going to school part-time. So this pencil sharpener is great because you pull it like this, then you pinch the two little arms here, you put your pencil in, okay, like this, and then you can hold it, and it holds the pencil for you. You just need to hold it on top here to keep it stable. You don't need a clamp or anything, and it has this very easy and satisfying feel. Then you pinch these two arms again and you have a beautiful point. I'm just preparing my colored pencil collection for a workshop I'm doing at Entomica called Blind Contour, the Atelier series. I'm going to offer some workshops at Entomica once in a while, all related to drawing, art making. I'm going to call it the Atelier series, and I have a few more ideas that would be really fun to do. At one point when I was doing my BFA, we had to make, I was in a class called Eccentric Object, and we had to get inspired by an object in nature. And I had gone to see a samurai exhibition in Montreal, and I knew there were samurai beetles. So I wanted to draw inspiration from a samurai beetle, and I went to the bug lab. Entomica wasn't open then. It wasn't around yet. I went to see Dr. John Dedes, who lent me a beetle, and I studied it. I carried it with me very carefully. I drew from it. I made little, some papier-mâché stuff, and I made little tiny sculptures with wire that I bought a little mini welding kit, and I built little wire insects from aluminum wire, I think it was, and I loved that. I loved making these little insects. A lot of art that we can make from insects. These pencils will be great for the workshop. Okay, talk to you later.